pasensya na kayo. I don't need to keep you waiting, but I have a very important task that I have to address for fiscal future of the city. I spoke with the executives of Development Bank of the Philippines. Try to be honest with them with the fiscal challenges, what you call commercial obligations left to us, on top of our previous obligation with them. So far, I think it will be a good news for the people of Manila later on. But then again, pasensya na kayo. Tumagal yung meeting namin sa kapila. Then, welcome to City Hall, some of you. Yung iba naman dito yung regular ng muling nakakapasok sa office of the mayor. I'm happy to chair our first Manila Peace and Order Council meeting. Present here is our beloved Vice Mayor, Chief Atienza. And of course, on my left is our City Administrator, Attorney Wardy Quintos. Our Chief of Staff, Secretary Cesar Chavez. And the Chair, representing the Sangguniang Panglungsod of the Committee on Police and Public Safety, former Colonel, Officer of the Manila Police District, now Councilor Junior Ibay. Ngayon, bago tayo magsimula, siguro, iba naman kilala ko na, but for the purposes of others, kilala na kayo dahil madalas tayo magkikita. Masanay na kayong lagi may board meeting. Because of the changing times and challenging times, we might have so many meetings. But anyway, this is Manila Peace and Order Council. I would like to inform you that one of the celebrated case in the country happened last May 18 in another city that involves our constituents in the city of Manila as prime suspect. I'm honored and humbled that pinagkatiwala nila sa atin, pati ng pamilya nila, yung pag-surrender noong tatlong suspect sa Cabrera case. Masaya ako naging tulay na makapagbigay ng justisya sa pamilya Cabrera na nabiktima. But the three suspects surrendered last night. And finally, i-surrender namin sa NBI because ang may hawak na ng kaso is NBI and through the leadership of Director Jimmy Santiago, is under team here. And as a matter of update, on top of the surrenders o surrender o mga sumuko na suspect, tatlo, gusto ko lang ipabatid sa inyo, natagpuan na yung bangkay sa San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. Kasi ako na ang Maynila ay naging bahagi ng pagbibigay ng hustisya sa pamilya, hindi bago. At least masasabi natin na papayapan ng kaluluwa ng biktima, magkakaroon na rin ng kapanatagan ang pamilya ng biktima. At I hope makuha nila at makamit nila ang hustisya sa mata ng musgado. Basta tayo, mula din dito, marami kayo dito, men in uniform, men and women in uniform, tagapagpatupad or enforcement unit, Ganun lang tayo lagi. Kung makakatulong tayo makapagpabot ng justisya sa mga tao, then so be it. Even though it didn't happen in Manila, but they opted to trust the city government so that the case will be at least now so let the natural course of justice system apply. So, binanggit ko lang kasi that's one of our topic. That's why we are called the Peace and Order Council. But now, let's start and begin with stating your name, position, and your agency. We start with Colonel from the